A very pleasant morning, dear students. How are you all? Today I am going to narrate a story, Peter the Parrot. The story is about a smart parrot who remains very alert whenever he goes out of his house. So let's start the story. Once there was a hungry cat. She saw the parrot Peter singing on a tree. She climbed up the tree to grab it. As she pawed the parrot, he got afraid. To save himself, he made a plan. He said, "Dear Meow Kitty, my teacher tells to wash hands before eating. I am very delicious. But if you eat me with dirty hands, you will fall sick." The greedy cat went to wash her hands, and the smart parrot flew away. Moral of the story is, be smart and alert. I repeat, be smart and alert. Bye, children. Enjoy your day.